Whether we are kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid, kaibigan, o kahit na nakagawa tayo ng isang project sa Regal Films, lahat tayo matatawag natin ang ating mga sariling Regal Babies. Ako po ay naging Regal Baby sa likod ng camera nung naimbitahan ako ni Mother Lily to join Regal Films as the creative manager in 1984. Ako po ay nagpo-produce noong mga panahon yon ng mga pelikula pero puro sa art house. So everything that I knew about mainstream filmmaking, everything that I knew about commercial filmmaking, I learned from Mother Lily right here in Valencia. Dito mismo. Dito ako nag-opisina. Yes. And ang tawag niya sa amin, kasama ko si Manu Santos, my sister, and Direk Olive Lamasan, ang tawag niya sa amin, the English Department. At sa tapat ng English Department ay ang Filipino Department. Okay. So, sa Filipino Department, nandun yung accounting staff, tapos nagtatambay din yung mga production staff. Tapos, naririnig mo minsan, sumisigaw si Mother. At merong mga parang nagtatapo ng kung ano-ano. Diba? Pero pagtawid niya sa aming kwarto, sa English Department, poised na poised siya. At saka kalmado. Parang sabi namin, parang hindi yata siya marunong magbura sa English. Basta poised na poised siya. Anyway, my years in Regal were amazing years for me. You know, Mother is a force of nature. She's bagyong 24/7. Dahil nung mga panahon yun, gumagawa kami ng 5 productions all at the same time. At sigurado, pag naging blockbuster on day 1, sigurado, nandyan na si Tatay Channing Carlos and Joey Reyes, and we're already talking about the next project. Talagang walang pahinga si Mother Lily. Force of nature talaga siya. And before multitasking became uso, Mother was the master of multitasking. Alam niyo po, walang discovering restaurant dyan. There was a restaurant na Casa Marcos. Nandiyan ba ba?
Wala na.
So, may restaurant dyan sa kanto ng Valencia, Casa Marcos. She would reserve 5 tables. All at the same time. And in those 5 tables, yung isa, she's negotiating a deal. In the next table, she's comforting a talent. In the next table, she's making tawa. In the next table, she's greeting a birthday celebrant, and so on and so forth. Talagang multitasker. Ako lang po ang nahihilo sa kanya. On another table, there's her very loyal accountant, Luz Vera. Is she here? Where are you, Luz? Hi, Nanay Luz! Kamusta? Reunion! Anyway, so, nandun na sa isang table si Luz Vera. Naku, naghihintay para mapirmahan ng petty cash voucher. Mother also was not fond of reading scripts. And that was one of my assignments. I would read scripts to her from beginning to end. Meron kasi siyang master's bedroom dito sa office. No? So, yun, habang nababasa ako ng script, nag-exercise siya. Kain. Minsan nakahiga. So, for example, sasabihin ko, tumakbo na si Maricel, sinusundan siya ng mga goons. Nung tumatawid na sa kalsada, ay lumalabas ang taxi na dumaan. Tapos pagtingin kasi ko na, ay, nakapikit na ang mata. Mother. So I would leave the bedroom, and 45 minutes later, she would have me call, at ganito ang sasabihin na, so, Charo, nasagasaan ba yung goods yung lumalagas ang taxi? Grabe! She was amazing. Kasi talagang the exact point kung saan tumigil yung pagbabasa ko ng script, alam niya. So talagang master of multitasking. She was also a master of contradictions. Pag may kailangan kayo, lumapit lang kayo kay mother, iyakan ninyo, may sad story kayo, naku, talagang tutulong ng lubos-lubos sa inyo. Pero, Diyos ko, napakahirap magpapirma ng petty cash. Napakahirap magpapirma ng petty cash sa kanya. One time, si Direk Maning Borlaza, nag-pull out na si Malu Santos. Si Malu kasi ang ina ang nasa production eh. So nag-pull out na si Malu. Aba, pinatawag ni mother. Malu, yabang ka na ha? Bakit ka abono petty cash? Yabang mo na. Eh mother, pag hindi ako mag-abono, walang mangyayari, walang shooting. Okay. The following week, pinatawag na naman si Malu Santos. Malu, bakit hindi ka abono petty cash? Diba, she's really funny. And I say this with all fondness, di ba? Yung nakakaloka, yung word na nakakaloka. Master of contradictions. Tapos, but she was also very fickle-minded in her decision-making. At 8 o'clock, mag-meet kami, we would discuss the casting projects. At 10 o'clock, iba na yung cast. At 12 noon, iba na naman yung cast. At 6 p.m., iba na naman yung cast. Minumura na kaming tatlo ng mga talents. Di ba? Pasensya na po, nagpalit ng project, nagpalit ng kwento, di ba? Pero gano'n. And then we just learn to live with it and laugh it off. Yeah. But for all her craziness, and I say this really with fondness, there was one time, pinapunta niya si Olive na magpasign ng call slip ang artista. Fail. Hindi lumabas. So bumalik siya, hindi sign yung call slip. So pasok si mother sa English department. Bakit hindi mo pinasign yung call slip? Mother, sabi ng ninang, Mother, I haven't had lunch. Oh, sorry. Labas siya. Pagbalik na, here are Jollibee gift certificates. Lunch ka muna. Sorry. Nakakatuwa. Kasi very charming siya in her ways. Di ba? Paano kang magagalit? Hindi mo talaga makuhang magalit. Tapos, and for all na her kalokahan, there are two endearing qualities about mother. Pag nakasakit siya, marunong siyang humingi ng sorry. At saka itinuro rin niya sa akin na learn to forgive. You always forgive, never hold grudges. Maigsi ang buhay, dapat hindi mabigat ang dibdib natin, dapat wala tayong bagahe na dinadala ng mabigat sa kalooban natin. So, marunong siyang magpatawad at marunong din siyang humingi ng tawad. That's Mother Lily. Now, after spending 2 years in Regal, I wanted to work in a more structured work environment. Yeah, so I got an invitation to join ABS-CBN. Nagtanong si Mother sa akin. Alam ko, sumama ang loob na sa akin, pero sabi ko sa kanya, Mother, never naman kitang iwanan kahit nasa ABS-CBN ko. And really, without Mother, hindi nakabangon ng ABS-CBN because, you know, when ABS-CBN was relaunched, she produced 8 primetime shows for us. She lent her stars. She gave us her film library. And with all humility, Mother, on behalf of the owners of ABS-CBN and the management teams, maraming salamat. Talagang hindi maaabot ng ABS-CBN ang tagumpay na naabot niya without Mother Lily. And thank you very much to all her family and her children. Sobrang utang na loob namin ang tagumpay ng ABS-CBN sa kanya.